Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Christine. I will list all my socials down below. Now today we are doing a Crocs video. You can tell I am in my closet. So one of my followers had sent me a message on Instagram asking if I can give them a different, kind of like a different spin on a Halloween Croc. So challenge accepted. So that's what we're doing today. And I thought of the idea, since you guys know I have orange Crocs and black Crocs, I thought of the idea of having one Croc in orange and one in black and just decorating them with gibbets. So yeah, I'm gonna pull you guys to a different location so you guys can see these up close and we're going to decorate them. Okay, so this is what the Crocs look like without any gibbets. So I thought of the idea of putting the orange gibbets on the black side and the gibbets on the orange side. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so which side do I want to start with? I think maybe I'll start with the black side. So let's see. I have some red gibbets here. I actually wanted to put this Sally, so I got some red gibbets to complement it so it's not all orange. So let's see. I'm thinking thinking actually let's put this there. Put this one there. And since we're gonna have Sally there, let's put Jack on this side. Okay. And then there. This one here, since it kind of looks the same in terms of shape and size. Okay, this big guy, I know he has to be on the side because that's the only place he looks good. And then I know I'm going back and forth. I said I was going to start with the black, but I always like to have kind of a balance. Be this here. That looks good there, right? Let's see. These little pumpkins. I like that there so far. Of course, you gotta have your pumpkin spice latte. Pumpkin spice. Let's maybe put that near the latte. And then the pumpkin pie. Maybe here. I like it, but I feel like it's kind of missing some stuff here. So maybe I'm going to go through all my gibbets and look to see if I can find something else. In the meantime, since this kind of matches this shade-wise, let's put them here on the bottom. And then maybe, oops. this here. Yeah, I definitely need more gibbets. Okay, so I'll be right back. I'm gonna go through all my gibbets to see if I can find something else, a few more that just goes well. So be right back. Okay, so I got some more gibbets. This green to tie up all this green that's happening here. I figure I will put it right here. Does that look good? I don't know if I like that. Okay, I think I'm going to switch these up a little bit. So I'm going to put this one here, this one here, and then that one there, this one here, that one there. I think that looks a little bit better. And what do you guys think? This green one, and this one. So I'm fingering, maybe putting this one here. Let's see how it looks here. Nope, don't like it. Okay. Let's see. I think I'm going to put this one here on the corner. I think that looks better. And then have this green one right next to the poison apple. See, I like that. I like the way that looks. Okay, now let's work on the orange one. I got this one. So let's see. Maybe putting this one. See, it's not going to look crazy. I don't want it to look too cluttered. So let me see. Maybe this one here. That looks good. This one here. That looks good. I have a black one. Let's put that here. Okay, and then the eyeball. Let's put that here. Let's see. And if you guys hear my son in the background sounding like a madman, it's because I don't know what he's doing down there with his father, but I apologize for that. So I think I am happy with these little Halloween Crocs. What do you guys think? I kind of like them. And this is what they look like on. Obviously not with my pants because I didn't change my pants, but I think they look so cute. And you guys can do this. You can put orange with black. You can switch it up and put purple with green because I love purple and green for Halloween. Yeah, but I really, really like them. Let me know what you guys think down below. And I hope you like this video. See you next time, guys.